Hello, welcome. Today, I'm going to be showing you secret strategies that you can use to get more customers for your business no matter what you sell. My name is ELEKWACHI BETHEL from Showcase Digital Media, and I hope we have a fun time learning together. So let's go straight to the point. First of all, we are going to be talking about partnerships. Now, the first secret strategies that most people underutilize or most people overlook is partnerships. Businesses are more focused on competition, but the truth is you gain more from collaboration than you would from competition. Now, to get this right, you have to do it in a way that you don't lose in on your partnerships. What do I mean by that? To get this right, you have to team up with a business that has number one, your target audience or a similar customer base like you do, and number two, the business must not offer what you offer. You must not be offering the same product with the person you're trying to partner with. Now, so for example, let's say you're in the business of selling email marketing software to or offering email marketing services to marketers or businesses etc. Now you could easily collaborate with affiliate marketing platforms. You could also collaborate with e-commerce platforms, or you could even collaborate with digital marketing marketplaces. Now this helps you to expand your customer base easily and reach new customers without trying too hard, because these other businesses already have a pool of client or customers who are in need of the services or the products you offer. Now, to the next one. Next one is using your customers as affiliates. Now, many people don't know about this, but I'll spill the beans. I'll tell you a little bit about this. So, a customer who has used your product before and enjoyed it so well will be better at making sales for you than some salespeople, because these customers actually know what got them to buy your product. These customers actually know what they find very interesting about your product, and it becomes natural for them to actually tell others about it. So now you might ask, why do I say a customer is will be make a better salesperson than most of the salespeople? Is the answer to that question is very simple. These customers have experienced your product as customers, and they are in a better position to actually know what will make someone else to buy your product. But you have to make them interested in telling other people about your product. This is where an incentive comes in. Now you give them an incentive or a reward that could be anything of value. It could be a swag like a clothes, a cap. It could be a discount on their next purchase. It could be even money. It could be a percentage of the share of in the product, in the price of the product, and just anything that could keep them motivated to tell someone else about your product. And by so doing, you'll be able to build a massive sales army, and you'll be able to grow your customer base. Third one is apply for speaking engagement. Now this third one might sound so simple, or you might be finding it difficult to comprehend it, but let's break it down for you. Now, applying for speaking engagement, you could even organize events if you have the resources to do so. But if you don't have the resources to organize events, you can easily apply for speaking engagements and get people to feature you in their own events. So now, to get this right, you need to do it properly. Now, you don't just apply for any speaking engagement that comes across you. For example, if you sell real estate, you'd not gain anything from or speaking engagement that is aimed at high school PPOs. No, you're not going to get anything, because those people do not have the money to buy the services or the product you offer. So what you have to do is to look for a speaking engagement. You want to go for an event gig where you have your target audience, where people who have the money and the capacity and are interested in what you're going to offer them or sell to them would be. So then, when you get such kind of speaking engagements, make sure your speech delivery is actually great, and in the process you sell to them and you get them interested in what you have to offer. Now, the next thing we are going to be talking about is using influencer marketing. Now, most people overlook this or they don't take this seriously, but this is one secret strategy that most big brands use. Now, you ask yourself, why do people tend to fight over Ronaldo? Why do people argue over Messi? Why do people argue over Whiskey, Davido, Burna Boy, and the rest? Why do we have something like um 30 billion gang? Why do we have something like Malians? Those things, it's very simple. These people are believe that they are part of a community, and their leaders are usually these celebrities or if influencers. So if you want to sway these people or their followers to your product or to actually become your customers, you'd have to go through their influencer or their leader, who is the influencer. So what this does for you is that it gets you a share of the love they have for their leader, and you're able to easily sell your products to them. So to do this properly, you have to make their leader your spokesperson for your products. But you have to get it right. Now, most people overcomplicate influencer marketing. They give their influencers so much rules and regulations of what they want about the marketing their products. But the truth is that these influencers are the ones who built this community, so they actually know what their audience would actually, how to convert their audience, what resonates with their audience, and it would do you more good to actually give these influencers the freedom to actually express their creativity using your product. You just tell them what you want, and you give them the leverage to actually express their creativity using your product. Now, the next thing we're going to talk about is to use the bring a friend offer. Now, this one particularly works well with B2C, and also works well with offline businesses. It can also work well with online businesses, but you just have to make your offer very interesting in a way that they have to bring someone else in order to enjoy an added benefit. So this one, you might be familiar with it, but you don't know about it. Most churches use it. They tell you to bring your friend, and by so doing, they more people get to hear their message. So it's, let's say for example you have a restaurant. You can actually use this. You could ask customers to bring someone and get a free meal. So what this does is that when they come with someone else and maybe their partner, and they you offer them a free meal and they like the meal, they could actually spend more on at the end of the day, and you end up having an extra customer, and also having a new person who would likely be interested in coming there with someone else next time when they have to be at your a restaurant, or when they are close to where you stay. So you can use this for special events like Valentine's holiday, a Christmas holiday, and so much more. So the next one we're going to be talking about is WhatsApp marketing. Now, take it or leave it, you could get more personal with your customers through WhatsApp marketing, as they view your status and get more accustomed to you on WhatsApp. They can easily chat with you. They feel more connected to you on WhatsApp than any other channel, because it feels like it's a more personal relationship happening over WhatsApp. So you're able to build your KLT factor, which is they know you, they like you, and they trust you. And when you've been able to do this, you're more likely to convert these people to customers than just very cold leads who don't know you from anywhere. So you have to make use of WhatsApp marketing to actually build more customers for yourself and your business. So by doing so, you can actually expand your customer base and get more people to buy from you. So there's a link below this that would show you more about WhatsApp marketing. You can click on it and take a look at it. So here's more for you. Now, there are bonus, some extras that I like to actually point out particularly. So these ones they might be popular already. You might have heard of them, but I'd like to stress them again. So you have to improve your website and make it SEO friendly. Now, does it mean to make something SEO friendly? It means you should make your website to be easily discovered over search engines. So when people make certain searches for things on Google or Bing or any social search engine platform, your services and what you offer easily pops up. So this helps people to actually get accustomed to, they get to know your business when you actually solve a problem for them. Let's say they are searching for how can I do this? How can I do that? And they click on your blog post, or they click on your website, and they actually have solutions to their problem. So it creates that impression that you actually know their problem and you can actually solve their problem for them. So by so doing, you're increasing your customer base and getting people to know more about you. So the next thing you should do is to leverage social media. Now, like the name says, social media. Social media is a place you want to be get social with your customers. You want to actually interact with them and communicate with them. So if you can actually leverage social media properly, you'll be getting a lot of the cake and a lot of customers. But what most people do is that they always salesy on social media. They are always the post they make is always about themselves and not about their customers or helping their customers solve their problem. So you have to change the focus of your the kind of content you create on social media to actually cash in on this platform. So what you want to do is to start solving the problems of your customers on social media, and you get to realize that you begin to create more content, they become attracted to you and or persuaded to do business with you. So the next thing is to use cold outreach. Now, yes, you can say, no, 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 I don't. Just find out those people who are most likely to need what you sell and go to them yourself. Because since most people are relying on inbound marketing, they are leaving so much on the table when it comes to cold outreach and outbound marketing. So just go out there, find customers who are likely to need what you offer, and pitch your services to them. By so doing, you're going to attract more customers for your business. So I think that's all. And if you found this very useful to you and your business, I would like you to do me a favor by subscribing and turn on your notification bell so that you get information when we drop the next video. Thank you and see you next time. I love you.